Right, hello everybody and welcome to another elevator parts video. We're looking at something a little bit different today, but it's still an elevator part. This here is a Dover elevator lantern. So let's go ahead and get started. So here we have a vandal resistant Dover directional lantern that you would see in the elevator, typically on the door frame, and this would light up in the direction that the car is going after the door opens. So this one has an interesting design. We see here we've got the arrow kind of form here, and then on each corner of the arrow we have a light. So this one's the up direction, so we have 3 green lights, and on the down direction we have 3 red lights. And it makes a pretty nice design here. Now if we turn to the back, we can see how this is all put together. Here we've got our common wire, and this is common obviously between the two. The D wire stands for down, so this would light up the down and obviously ring the bell. And the U wire is the up wire, which is for the up and the bell. And then if we look a little bit closely, we've got a little diode right there, got a couple diodes. And we can also see the bell here, which if we give it a nice shake, you can see the bell rings. Just like most Dover stuff, 24 volts, so it's a 24 volt bell. And all these bulbs can be powered with 24 volts as well. So the bulbs themselves are quite interesting. So you'll notice just on this one up on top here, we've got the little bulb socket here, but then we've also got this large metal piece and these little nuts here. So if we take the nuts off, and then we can pull off the little bulb, and you can see here, it's kind of just its own little assembly. And then this little bit can unscrew, which this kind of positions the bulb, and then you can unscrew it further when you unscrew this part, but we're not going to take it off all the way. But it is kind of interesting to see how this works. So the fun part now is trying to align it with the panel again. So let's see how I did for my first try. And we can see it's a little bit back in there, so we need to find its happy spot just by adjusting it very slowly until it's nice and flush. And all of the bulbs are the same. You can see there are 6 bulbs, 3 red, 3 green, and then our bell. So it's a very, very simple panel. And as for wiring this thing, I'm not actually going to wire it in this video, but we're all wired up already. It's a very simple wiring job, up and down and common. And that would really be all there is to it. The bell would ring and the light would come on when you apply 24 volts to it. So that's pretty much all there is for this video. Kind of another short part video, just kind of taking a detailed look at something. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.